Nasik city and Trimbakeshwar are witnessing the second Shahi Snan today. The Shahi Snan or the holy dip is taken in the Godavari river as part of the Kumbh festival which takes place every 12 years. Thousands of devotees are taking the holy dip and a royal procession by Mahants and Seers also was taken out. Visitors from across the country and abroad have arrived in Nasik to take part in the Shahi Snan. We have our correspondent Preeti Chaudhary interacting with some of the sadhus, including the Naga sadhus, who are known for their eccentric nature.
They're number 3. So they're going to it's quite intimidating because there's this mad frenzy, emotions are fever pitch. You don't know quite what's going to happen next because they're an eccentric sort, the Nagas, and fairly esoteric as well. But let me just give you perspective on what we're witnessing here. So they're waiting out their turn. So it's one mad party. Emotions have been building up through the course of the night. Most of them, and I have to say, most of them high on cannabis. They're just sitting there waiting out their turn before they can actually go take a dip. They're number 3. So they're going to wait out for the next 30 minutes as well. They don't take very kindly if you try and assert yourself or you try and get in their way. You can see right that a bit of a skirmish erupting. But having said that, one big party. I'll ask Himanshu to actually show you that man right there. Himanshu, if you can just turn around and yeah, there. It's a little shaky. We are on this on top of this bus. That man there will keep beating the drums till the time the Nagas stay right here and of course then move forward for their bath. So what they're doing is they're going into each corner. So there are pilgrims on the side looking at the show, this massive show of the Nagas there. In terms of, they were indulging in acrobats in terms of what we just saw. They're called the warrior sadhus. So they're going into each corner. Each corner they are going to. And they do give you a photo opportunity. It's not that they don't, because me and Himanshu have been told to keep away, to keep our distance, but they've been very friendly to us as well. As long as you just keep out of the way, and yes, they are eccentric. Like you don't know what's going to happen the next minute.